Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve this expression with the help of BODMAS rule. So according to BODMAS, we know that first we have to solve the bracket. So we write the number minus 2 power 3 minus, so minus 4 square is plus 16. Now minus 2 cube is minus 8 minus 16. And now minus minus is plus. So 8 plus 16 is 24. But in 8 or 16, the bigger one is 16. And before 16, there is a negative sign. So we have to put the negative sign here. So our final answer is minus 24. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.